Trinidad and Tobago's national motto is, "Together we aspire, together we achieve." And the meaning of the motto is, once we dream, act, and work together, then we will succeed together. The national motto was established by the late first Prime Minister, Dr. Eric Williams, when Trinidad and Tobago achieved independence in 1962. So Trinidad and Tobago's motto is, "Together we aspire, together we achieve." And to make it not complicated, it simply is the hope of a people for a better life, to be achieved through cooperation and working together to build a better nation. So where can we find the motto? The motto of Trinidad and Tobago is found on the coat of arms. And if you look down below, you'll see the national motto of Trinidad and Tobago. Together we aspire, together we achieve. Where can the Trinidad and Tobago's coat of arms be found? The coat of arms is the seal of state of the government. So it could be found on money, it could also be found on your passport, ID card, and national documents.